Hello everyone! For today's video, we're cooking ginataang tilapia with pechay. Let's go! So ayun, umuulan. Umuulan nga na eh. So ayun, umuulan na mamaliki ako. Yan lang. So ayun, minsan lang ako lumabas. Kaulanan pa ako. Wala nang bird na sa bahay. Kasama ko lang. Let's prepare the ingredients. We have pechay, garlic, sibuyas, siling pula, eggplant, tomato, and luya, and the seasonings, and then the oil, and then the tilapia, and then let's go. This is first, we add oil in the pot, and then magpiprito tayo ng talong. Let's wait until the golden brown. Ayan, golden brown na siya. And then this is the finished product. And then we add garlic. And then we mix. And then we add the white onion. Pwede naman siyang purple. Pero mas prefer ko yung white onion. And then mix. And then we add the luya. And then mix until the golden brown. And then the tomato. And then mix. And then add the tilapia fish. Don't mix baka madurog. Add water para di siya masunog. And then, ayan, kumukulo na siya. Add salt, asin, and then add pepper, black pepper powder, and then the seasoning, magic sarap, and then wait lang sa boiling point, and then add the gata. Pwede naman yung nabibili sa paligid pagkata na lang, natural, pero ito sa supermarket kasi naulan, kaya bilisan na lang. Yan, tatakpan mo lang siya, waiting for boiling process, and then like that. And then we add a little bit of water. Ayun yung pangalawang gata kapag mano-mano. And then add the like sili. Pwede naman siyang siling gawin yung malaki para hindi masyadong manghang. And then cover it. Hindi ko siya mix baka kasi madurog ang isda. And then waiting. Ayan, kumukulo na siya. Buhay na buhay isda. Kumukaway yung kamay niya o tumataas. Ayun, sabi nila kapag fresh daw yung isda. And then takpan ulit. And then ayan na yung final look. Test natin siya. Para kung may add tayo na salt or something, marilamig yun. And then add the pechay. And then cover it. And then while waiting, I will eat Shanghai. Sarap naman niya. Ayun lang. And then I add pork cubes kasi wala siyang lasa. And then I add some patis to balance the taste. And some seasoning again. And then this is the final look. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. Let's eat. Happy eating, everyone. Ayan, hindi ko na siya masyadong minix kasi baka maturog ang isda. Ayan. Naparami lang yung tubig niya kaya ganyan ang sabaw. Dapat kasi medyo malapot siya or nagmamantika kasi gata siya eh. Ayun lang. Happy eating, everyone. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye. And then this is the final look. Don't forget to like, share, comment for more video, and please support my channel. Thank you.